Ayan, so meron akong ipropromote ngayon na bagong investment platform. Nag-launch siya this April 11 lang, kaya fresh na fresh pa to. Baka gusto nyong itry. So minimum investment of 500 pesos and ang minimum withdrawal is 100 pesos and wala po tayong charge sa ating withdrawal fee. So pwede tayong mag-invest ng up to 32,000. So every day po ang kitaan natin. So as you can see, nagpasok po ako ng 2,000 and every day meron akong 520 pesos. Nakakakuha naman tayo ng referral ng up to 35%. At saka ito, so as of now 2,045 na yung nakuha ko since April 11. And withdrawal records, kitang-kita nyo po naman, success po yan lahat at napasok po yan lahat sa aking GCash. Kaya try na natin at nasa description box ang link. Pasok na po kayo.